Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, PNG has kind of been disappointing. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, right? When I made this video about PNG, which was just a couple days ago, I believe we were having this up candle here. Now, overall, it still looks okay. But I bet all of us are kind of tired of us fluctuating through this price. Now, when we break it down in the 4 hour, it's pretty simple what happened. We just went to this institutional 4 hour candle to pretty much sell off, right? But when we still look at the 12 hour or the daily, in my opinion, this is still the early signs of a reversal because this candle closed extremely strong compared to the last buy candle we had, right? This candle started at 23 pretty much and a half cents, went up all the way to 29, but ended the day back at 24 and a half pretty much. This candle started at pretty much 23, went up to 27 and a half basically, and ended at 27. So very, very strong. Oh, well, Clash of Clans. All right, well, thanks. Play Clash once and I just get, pop-ups now. Anyways, all right. So the bias still stays the same. If we don't start closing above 27 and a half pretty much, then we are still probably going to be ranging. Now, if I break this down on the 4 hour, and we go here, we do have one institutional candle, which I believe there is a possibility we might hit. And if we hit this, there's no need to panic because it could be something as simple as this, just one heavy sell, rejection, and back up. And if we do get something like that, then that is the confirmation 100% that we are ready to go to the upside. As of right now, we don't have that, and we don't necessarily need to get that, right? Because sometimes these moves play out, sometimes they don't. That is just the name of the game, and that is the name of trading. But if we look things on the weekly, once again, right, we failed to go above, but overall selling pressure is still weak. At this moment, we're just kind of getting a similar trend of pretty much testing this area, but still ending very weak in terms of selling pressure. So for me, it still looks good. It's one of those things where, like I said, PNG kind of has done this in the past. Weak selling pressure, starts reversing slowly, burst, right? Very weak selling pressure, but it's still going slowly down. Boom, we get some liquidity sweep. Next thing you know, we have a better candle, and then 2 weeks worth of pumps. So, like I said, it's not the most exciting time, but I personally still believe in this project, and I still think this crypto is going to be a realistic 100x. So yeah, guys, once again, right, we have two possibilities is we quickly go here, boom, retrace very quickly, close above this blue line. This will look fantastic and pretty much be the final confirmation that we're going up. The next thing is, we slowly start reversing here and we're going to make another attempt, right? Another sign that we could be officially reversing is if it taps off here and kind of goes halfway and does something like this, right? Because then at that point we have a higher floor than, all of these floors over here. And then that could be, very, very good for us. At the end of the day, you got to remember this coin is sitting around 50 million market cap. And all it takes is just one good day, some exposure, and overall for, the crypto market to be officially in the bull state again, for us to gain momentum very, very quickly to the upside. Not only that, the fact that we've been consolidating, going sideways for a long time, just means that we have a lot of, potential upside explosion because that's just how the markets work. When markets go sideways for a while, we pretty much build up the possible momentum of exploding very rapidly to the upside or the downside. Now, obviously, since the crypto market is going to be going overall in an uptrend, we should be heading up, right? So, like again, that's why we get these big pumps. That's why we get these big pumps because market goes sideways for a while, and it's kind of easy to have these big pumps when the price is low, the market cap is low, and I still think PNG has a great future ahead of it.